वासु एजुकेशन। आज क्लास नाइन्थ का चैप्टर पॉपुलेशन। सोशल साइंस क्लास नाइन्थ। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट। माइग्रेशन चेंज द नंबर, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड कंपोजिशन ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन। फोर ऑप्शंस आर देयर. बी ऑप्शंस बोथ द एरिया ऑफ डिपार्चर एंड अराइवल. Second question, a large proportion of children in a population is a result of A. High birth rates. Third, the magnitude of population growth refers to B. The number of person added each year. Fourth question, according to the census 2001, a literate persons in one who can read and write his or her name. Question number 2. Answer the following question briefly. Why is the rate of population growth in India declined since 1981? The family planning program helped in increasing the awareness about the benefits of a smaller family size. This helped in reducing the rate of population growth in India since 1981. Discuss the major components of population growth. Birth rates, death rate, and migrations are the major components of population growth. A higher birth rate coupled with a lower death rate leads to population growth. International migrations can lead to population growth of more number of people are coming from other countries than the number of people going outside the country. Third, define age structure, death rate and birth rate. Age structure, relative percentage of various age groups in the population is called age structure of the population. Age group is generally divided into children up to 14 years, working age 15 to 59 years, and aged 60 years and above. Death rate, the number of death per 1000 person is called death rate. Birth rate, the number of live births per 1000 persons is called birth rate. Migration within the country is called internal migrations, while death between two countries is called international migration. Internal migration has no change on population size, but is changed the population composition of a particular area. International migration can lead to a growth or degrowth in population depending on the degree of immigration and immigration. ये फोर्थ क्वेश्चन का आंसर था. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन सेकंड क्वेश्चन नंबर के फोर सब क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ, क्वेश्चन नंबर फाइव, क्वेश्चन नंबर सिक्स्थ. What are the significant features of a national population policy 2000? NPP, National Population Policy 2000, has put special emphasis on the adolescent populations. Focus is given to special nutrition shifts of the adolescents. Awareness programs are conducted to increase awareness about STDs, unwanted pregnancies, child marriage, risk and unproductive sex, etc. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. आगे के वीडियो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें. धन्यवाद. और इसको देख के आप लर्न भी कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.